The new feature makes managing your workspace smoother than ever. You can now automate repetitive tasks, streamline workflows, and even get AI-powered suggestions inside your pages. Imagine having Notion help summarize your notes, suggest action items, or even create drafts for your projects, all without leaving the app. It's like having a personal assistant built right into your workspace. One of the most exciting parts is how it integrates with your existing pages and databases. You can link related content seamlessly, pull in data from different pages, and even connect multiple databases to visualize everything in one place. For teams, this means collaboration is faster and more efficient. You can assign tasks, track progress, and leave comments directly in context, all while staying focused on what matters most. The AI element also adds a whole new layer of productivity. From drafting emails to generating meeting summaries or creating templates for recurring tasks, Notion can save you hours each week. This is especially helpful if you juggle multiple projects or have a lot of data to organize. With this feature, Notion isn't just a note-taking app anymore. It's becoming your central command center for work and life. Setting it up is simple. Once you enable the feature in your workspace, you'll see AI suggestions appear right where you work. You can customize how it works, choose which pages to include, and even create shortcuts for tasks you do repeatedly. The more you use it, the smarter it gets, learning your workflow and helping you stay organized. If you haven't tried this new feature yet, now is the perfect time. It can change how you use Notion on a daily basis, making it faster, more intuitive, and even a little fun to navigate. Whether you're working solo or in a team, this feature is designed to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips, tricks, and updates. Comment below. Have you tried this new feature yet, and how has it improved your workflow?